Thanks for staying tuned into Power Breakfast in CNBC TV 18. Now it's time to get you the latest update in the world of commodities. And we have Manisha Gupta joining in with us as always. Good morning, Manisha. And, the geopolitical tensions, uncertainties, US-Iran talks, that's continuing. What are we keeping an eye out on today?
Well, all of those factors that you mentioned on, Vineet, is the crude oil prices, which continue to trade firm, just about flirting with that $70 a barrel mark. Well, EIA also says that we've seen $67 a barrel of an average for the month of January. Now, even as US and Iran are having their conversations, there are reports that US is building military presence in Middle East if these talks fail, and that is what is keeping the premium in case of prices. Having said that, the cold weather has boosted heating demand in the West, and that has taken the natural gas prices also on the higher side. So whether it is about crude oil or crude oil products, almost everything seems to be trading in the positive for 2026. What isn't been doing well has been the base metal prices. With China heading into the Lunar New Year holidays from this weekend onwards, you're looking at lesser buying from there. Also, there is rising inventories in the major trading hubs. So whether it's LME, Shanghai, CME, we are looking at inventories rising for copper and aluminum. So both of these commodities are off the kind of highs that we saw in the month of January. What has continued to do well, though, has been the gold prices today. With the U.S. retail sales data coming in softer, and now the market's waiting for U.S. payrolls data that comes in today, the U.S. inflation data that comes in on Friday. So ahead of these numbers, there's a bit of a choppiness and some safe haven buying returning in case of gold.
Okay, Manisha, thank you so much for that. But on